So make some noise. I think we're doing some kind of show. I think we can be a little louder on this Friday night out of all nights. Make some noise for yourselves. Oh my gosh. Whew, we're gonna go on quite the ride, and there's only time to go right into it right now. So, I'm your host, Mateo Hurtado, and the H is silent, but I am not. And I need to give some context. I need to slow down un poquitito and set up the song that I'm about to sing, because without context, you're just like, wow, big whoop, Mateo. You're just doing the top 40 hits and you're just doing Dua Lipa. There's more to that. There's more weight to this song, porque I am doing a rendition of Hallucinate by Dua Lipa. Arguably, she's a super spreader, but this was before vaccine. Before vaccine, we were like, why is she so social? She's almost hyper social. She's over social, even on social media. Yeah, it's crazy. Pero, So, but the reason why I turned to this song is because of Puerto Rico. And what I mean by that is, in Puerto Rico, the island, things are very dire right now, because on the island they're trying to privatize motherfucking electricity through this program called LUMA, L-U-M-A, fuck LUMA, pa fuera LUMA. And earlier this summer, when I got word that this was a true disaster on the mother effing island, disasters within disasters and all up on each other, I was like, oh, well then we need some sonic intervention, bitch. So what you're about to hear is Dua Lipa's song, but not quite. So, Mobe, we're ready for the track. And by we're, I mean I'm a fucking band right now. So, I'm ready, and this is HalLUMAhate, without further ado. Whoever set up this instrumental, I love them. Took this from YouTube. Pocket full of miel and I'm ready to go. No, I ain't got no money, but I'm letting you know that I'ma hate you like fulano. Breathe you until I HalLUMAhate. Body make you silly, make you do what I want. Oh baby, I can make it pretty, I can string you along, but I'ma hate you like fulano. Breathe you until I HalLUMAhate. Without your touch, no, I could have way too much. I'll breathe you in forever and ever. I HalLUMAhate when you call my name. Got stars in my eyes. Vaya Delgado when you come my way. I'm losing my mind. HalLUMAhate when you call my name. Got stars in my Hall of Fame, middle of the wall. Yeah, you're not my favorite, my ride or die, yo. Yeah, I'ma hate you like fulano. Breathe you until I HalLUMAhate. No, I cannot live. Oh, I can without your touch. Yes, I can have way too much. I'll breathe you in forever and ever. 5, 6, 7, 8. HalLUMAhate when you call my name. Got stars in my eyes. Vaya Delgado when you come my way. Losing my mind. be right where you are. Let's go dancing in the dark. Lose my control now. Kill me slowly with your bills. Wrap me around your moolah increments. Damn, another invoice hit. Make me lose my mind. I got stars in my eyes. But yeah, and I gotta hold when you come my way. I'm losing my HalLUMAhate when you call my name. Got stars in my fuck Luma, future nostalgia.